Tonight, the Paso Robles city manager is addressing the continuing rise in COVID-19 cases in the city. KSBY News reporter Alexa Bertola breaks down the uptick in cases and how it compares to other Central Coast cities.
In this letter to the Paso Robles community, the city manager warns people to be vigilant by wearing a face mask as well as physical distance following a recent increase in COVID-19 cases.
Week after week, the COVID-19 cases keep increasing in the city of Paso Robles.
I am not surprised that Paso has had an increase because we've seen it. We've seen people gather in large gatherings and no masks, no social distancing, no nothing.
Paso Robles has the highest number of cases in the county, with 501 of those tested coming back positive as of Monday. Nipomo is at 261, followed by the city of SLO with more than 250.
I'm actually really disgusted by the fact that it's going up.
The city of Paso Robles has 187 more cases than it did exactly 2 weeks ago. Nipomo has 70 more and SLO has 51 more cases in that same time frame. In a letter to the community, City Manager Tom Frucci explained the city has entered a critical period for the pandemic. In June, Paso had 13% of the total new cases in the county. In July, that number grew to 26, which is about 2% of the city's population.
Really, our intent is to help keep our community safe.
Over the past few weeks, signs have been rolling out throughout the city reminding people that face coverings are required.
We'd say 3/4 of them are now.
We talked with some non-mask wearers who didn't want to go on camera but said they don't wear one because it's uncomfortable and hot. Meantime, the city manager also explained that while helping with outdoor dining downtown may seem like it's sending mixed messages, the assistant city manager agrees.
This really is a balancing act, not just for Paso, but for all of us as this pandemic prolongs.
And Frucci ended his letter by saying if cases continue to worsen, the city will have to become more restrictive. In Paso Robles, Alexa Bertola, KSBY News.
According to health officials, nearly half of all cases in the county were acquired from person-to-person contact or community spread.